Morning everyone. So it is the 17th of April. I just finished doing my eye makeup and my face makeup. I haven't done my lips yet because I'll do that after I'm done with my hair. I am going to start doing my hair now, and this is the makeup slay so far. Nose highlight is beaming. Oh goodness. I'm sure you guys can hear Lotus FM in the background. But yeah, I went for like a simple cut crease, very silver toned look. You guys will see why. I'm very excited. It's cold today, but I have the perfect dress to match the weather. Yes! I was well prepared. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing my hair now. It's about 9:15 and we have to leave here at 10. So let's go do my hair. Okay, so hair is did. Makeup is finished. I'm already in my dress. Very unflattering angle, sorry guys. Whew. And yeah, pretty much ready to go. Sorry. The dogs are barking because there's paper guys outside. Anyway guys, hair's did, makeup's did, all of that stuff. And dress is from Shop Brett Robson. I'm obsessed with this dress. It's a small, but they didn't have medium, so I had to take a chance. But it fits, so I'm happy. Hey guys, so we're in the shuttle going to the main campus, which is APJ. I was gonna say, if you guys see me, please come say hi, but then you're gonna see this afterwards. So there's my mom, my dad, my sister and I, and Whitley is right at the back. Say hi, Whitley. Whitley is graduating with her diploma. Currently people doing sound check, and there's not a lot of people seated down. Like, I'm always like that, guys. Always. Okay, guys, this is where I say bye in the vlog. I think I'm gonna go give my sister my phone, just so that, you know, I'm not stressing about it during the ceremony. But the rows are filling up. It's only at 1. I think it's like 20 past 12 now. So I'm just gonna go give him my phone so it's out of my way. Okay, bye.
Saneshnienaidoo. Saneshnienaidoo.
I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm by the fountain taking pictures. I'm trying to vlog, but I don't know if it's gonna work. No, just half of you. So shy. So guys, we're done by the fountain. Now we're back indoors to do the whole photography, whether you got the pictures, situation, you know. So yeah. Whew. Guys, that time I'm so tired. Sorry for the noise in the background. It's like 4:15. I've been up since 7. I'm tired. But it was a really good graduation. I'll actually leave the link in my description bar if you guys want to watch it with timestamps. Whew, guys, I'm loving this Shop Brett Robson dress. It is the silk cold shoulder sort of vibe situation going on. Obviously I've been sitting and chilling, so now it's like rising up. Yeah, I really like this dress. I had another dress also planned, like a plum one, but I'm happy I chose this one because it's velvet and it kept me warm for the most part. Who's that? It's a vlog. So yeah, that is it for the vlog. I think we're just going to have supper. Then I'm gonna go home. Then I'm gonna edit this vlog.
Why do you have to go home today?
Because anyway, that's it. Hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. It's very short and sweet. My skin is still head playing me, but I mean it's at least a little bit behaved compared to how it usually is. Anyway, if you guys would like a video on this look, it's like a cut crease basic sort of situation, comment down below, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm clearly very tired. Don't forget to stay all day every day without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.